assholes out here are appalling sometimes. Jerk come climbing up on us like that and had to turn the wheel. As long as he gets up there to see what he wants to see, I guess fuck everybody else. Guys, with power boats, I just want to get a good shot of this. This is the way an asshole drives when he's on the water, that has no fucking consideration for anybody. Cut right across my bow. Don't do that shit to sailboats.